Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop iCloud backup on your iPhone. Alright, so first up, you gotta find the settings app of your phone right here. Just tap on it. Once done, go ahead over to your iCloud or Apple ID. Just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to iCloud. Tap. After once done, just go ahead over to the iCloud backup section right here. Tap on it and just disable, the backup of this phone feature, or basically the automatic backup. Disable this one, turn it off, and once done, you're good to go. Now, what if you just want to stop or disable a certain app or feature's backup? So how do we do that? So make sure that you turn on automatic backup right here. Wait for it to load. After once done, go ahead and go back. Now swipe up, tap on Save to iCloud, see all, right here. Now let's say you wanted to turn off your iCloud photos or the photos from your gallery to sync to your iCloud. Well, just go ahead and tap on this feature and then just turn this off. Go back. Let's say you don't want your WhatsApp to be backed up, turn this off. For example, your maps, Safari, reminders, contacts, just turn off whatever you want from here. And that's how simple it is to stop iCloud from backing up your iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.